डिनर बाकी झालं मीटिंग
मीटिंग अँड मीटिंग डिस्कशन झाला आमगेलें and decision झाला की we have to somehow see that the meeting is not the EIA the hearing should be should be set aside. I have asked the Chief Minister, if you are clear, if you don't want it, you want to have it somewhere else, no problem. But if you are clear that you don't want to have it here, let us not have the EIA meeting, the hearing. So I said it's up to the government, but then he said he will see what best can be done, whether it can be avoided, and whether he should record the objections. Now I think the whole panchayat, everybody is against it. A lot of people are against it. So I feel he should take a decision, and I'm expecting a good decision from him as far as the EIA is concerned. Now everybody is opposed to it. There is no question. People will oppose it to them.
ऐकणं झालं
कोणाक
लोकांक ऐकणं आम्ही डिसिजन घेतले बाबा मरीना जावपा जाय म्हणून वॉट
एक्चुअली जायत डिसिजन जालो आहे आणि ती कोण डिसिजन गेलो आहे ती मारोग पडल्या म्हाका दिसता तो घेता.
मेन मुद्दो आसलो की आमच्या सगळ्यांक की मरीना प्रोजेक्ट म्हणटा तो नाका तेन्ना आतां सीएमा कडेन डिस्कशन जाल्या उपरांत सेकंडार हियरींग दवरलेलें तेन्ना ते हियरींग फुडें व्हरपाक लोकांचो प्रयत्न जालो आनी मॅडम अलिनानूय सांगला आमी CGDMP प्लॅन जाल्या नंतर हें करी जाल्यार बरें जातलें म्हणून तेन्ना सीएमान म्हटलं की आपूण कलेक्टरा कडेन उलयता कलेक्टर डिसिजन घेता आनी आमकां फाल्यां परवां पळयता.
आणि विष्णू सुर्यावा तशेंच मॅडम यांच्यांनी हो प्रोजेक्ट गेल्या फावटी 2 फावटी स्क्रॅप केलो आणि आतांचो जो आमचो माननीय मुख्यमंत्री आसा दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हो लिगसी कॅरी करता आमच्या मनोहर बाबाची. जरी लिगसी कॅरी करता जाल्यार असले हे प्रोजेक्ट जे आमच्या एनवायरमेंटलाक डिझॅस्टर हाडटा आमच्या गोंयांक काबार करून सोडटा ते तेंचे विजन असले ते फुडें कॅरी फॉरवर्ड करतले अशें हांव सजमता आणि सगळ्या गोंयच्या जनतेच्यान हांव तेंचे कडेन मागता की मनोहर पर्रीकराचे जे स्वप्न आसा विष्णू वाघाचे जे स्वप्न आसा आणि तितून मॅडमूय आशिल्ली ते तेणें स्वप्न फुडें व्हरचें म्हणून आणि हो जो प्रोजेक्ट जो गोंयांक डिझास्टर आसा न्हय तो कॅन्सल करचो म्हणून.
Which we were waiting. Actually, we were supposed to announce it today, but unfortunately, we need to respect to the decision what CM have given. We were not expecting because last 3 meetings we have conducted. We were actually disappointed. But today we got a hope that tomorrow at least he will come up with the decision that hearing is cancelled. If the hearing is not cancelled, then we will as usual. आम्ही गरज पडत जाल्यार हेच्या पयलीं रस्त्यार लोक येयल्ले आसा आनी आतांय आमी रस्त्यार येवपाक फाटी सरपाचे ना. We are going to either in a requesting way or in other way where रस्त्यार येऊनच ब्लॉक करून सगळे फुल जातात हे भाशेन करचे पडटले कित्याक लागून we don't have any other option. Exactly, that has been already planned and तो प्लॅन ऑलरेडी विलेजरांनी केल्लो आसा की जरी तर सारखे वाटेन बरे भाशेन रिक्वेस्ट करून जायना मागीर आनी दुसरी ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह आमकां काय ना. Before an NGO, we are a villager. I am a Kurka villager. The first important what I'll tell you is misguidance is done by these people by paying some people to remove the videos of some person who do not know also what is Marina. You can see on the Facebook, Marina Goa is a Facebook page which has been created, which has been Marina अशें बरें आसतलें तशें आसतलें ब्ल्यू उदक आसतलें हें आसतलें तें आसतलें ती आश्वासनां भरपूर आयकलां लोकांक फटोवपाची गरज ना. आमी प्रेझेंटेशन केल्लें आसा गांवांनी वचून प्रेझेंटेशन डॉक तेंच्यांनी जो प्रपोजल EIA रिपोर्टान मेन्शन केला तेंचो प्रपोजल अग्रीमेंटान जे आसा हें सगळें फूल प्रेझेंटेशन दाखयल्लें आहा लोकांक क्वेश्चन करपाक दिल्लें आहा.
MLA Madam Alina Saldana was there, Mr. Tony Fernandes was there, as well as Mr. Alex Reginald and all the agitators of against Marina project were there, and I think also the officials from Goa Pollution Control Board and Environment as well as the collector was consulted by the CM. They were first saying that we cannot postpone the public hearing based on some technical grounds since it has been called off by Environment Minister and all. But we have insisted and we have requested that the public hearing has to be cancelled because we don't want public hearing as well as the project in the state because of the environmental destruction and violation of all the rules. There were a lot of illegalities which we have pointed out, including not having the CZMP plan in place first and then having this particular type of say public hearing, as well as many other, like they have already actually the timeline for the project proposal was over. Still, I think the public hearing has been kept. That was also brought to the notice of the chief minister. आणि हे सगळे आम्ही सांगला आणि CM has agreed that he will consult further and then come up with the final decision maybe by tomorrow. But we are firm on the decision that this has to be cancelled and the project has to be cancelled, or it has to be postponed public hearing after the CZMP, and then we will again oppose the project.
What was the meeting? What meeting was called?
Well, the meeting was to discuss the project of marinas and in our state, and everybody had their say, and everyone felt that right now we have to first wait for the CZMP plan to be drafted by every village. Let us see what every village has to say about their area, about their village, about the environment of the village, about the eco-sensitivity of the different areas in the village. After that is done, we will have a meeting or maybe a hearing, because the state government nor any other authority can violate the CZMP, because CZMP will be, it's a document. It's a document of law which tells us which areas are to be protected, on which areas you can do certain things, which areas allow, which areas don't allow. So once that is completed by the state, then maybe we can discuss about projects. And the Honorable Chief Minister has agreed. He has said that he's going to discuss this request from the people with the Pollution Control Board and the collector, and then he'll come back to us.